Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use ClassDojo for students. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first step is to get the class code. Before you start using ClassDojo, you need to get the class code from your teacher. This code will allow you to join your teacher's class on ClassDojo. Ask your teacher for the class code. Your teacher might share the code through email or printed handout or a class announcement. Second step is to log into your ClassDojo account. So simply head over and open up your app and then select I am a student. If you have received the code, simply enter or scan the code right here, or if you don't have a code, simply tap on I don't have a code and then enter in the student code right here. Once you are logged in, see your avatar. This is a fun character that represents you in the class. Track your points. You will earn points for a positive behavior like teamwork, helping others, and being on task. Points may be deducted for negative behaviors. Step 4 is to participate in class activities like completing assignments, helping classmates, and demonstrating good behavior. Step 5 is to monitor your progress, and step 6 is to communicate with your teacher, then participate in fun challenges. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.